Viewers, two important reports. First report is about Ethiopian National Defense Force final offensive against Tigray Defense Force. Second report is from Gashina and Valdia, where Ethiopian National Defense Force and Amhara's forces tried to enter, but Tigray Defense Force repelled the attack. Peace fighting is underway. Viewers, now let's move to the first report. Ethiopian military forces have launched a massive ground offensive against Tigray Defense Force. The Tigray People's Liberation Front confirmed the offensive, adding that there are now active skirmishes on several fronts. The Tigray People's Liberation Front said fighting had erupted on Monday after the government sent troops to the region as part of staggering ground offensive. Viewers, the group said there are now deadly skirmishes on at least three fronts in the Amhara region between government troops and Amhara regional militias. Tigray People's Liberation Front representative said the skirmishes involve the use of drones, tanks, and airstrikes. The latest attack has reignited the devastating civil war, which had resulted in the loss of hundreds of lives on both sides and affected the lives of hundreds of thousands of civilians. Viewers, the nearly year-long civil war in the region has caused a significant humanitarian crisis, with the international community calling on an end to the violence. Earlier in the year, the Ethiopian government expelled United Nations officials from the region despite clear sign of famine that has put millions of lives at risk. The office of Ethiopian Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed did not respond directly to questions about the latest offensive, but it only stated that the government's responsibility was to protect its people from all acts of terrorism. Whereas Ethiopian officials said the offensive is part of its plan to push the Tigray People's Liberation Front out of the Amhara region and to protect all citizens in the area. The Tigray People's Liberation Front had entered the Amhara region just this summer. Here's Tigray People's Liberation Front officials described the latest offensive as part of Abiy's final push to re-invade Tigray. The Tigray People's Liberation Front has slammed Abiy's actions of pursuing a more violent means of taking power. Tigray People's Liberation Front officials said, despite repeated appeals by the international community as well as the government of Tigray to find a peaceful resolution of the current crisis, the government of Ethiopia has once again chosen to continue its genocidal war on Tigray. Viewers, now let's move to the second report. If we talk about Valdia, Ethiopian National Defense Force and Amhara's forces tried to reach the outskirts of Voldia from three different directions, but they cannot enter Voldia. Whereas Voldia is under the full control of Tigray Defense Force so far. Tigray Defense Force pushed them back from Voldia front. As per reports, Tigray Defense Force is making gain on the east of Voldia. Tigray Defense Force want to take control of Voldia Shifra Road. Viewers, if we talk about Gashina is also under the full control of Tigray Defense Force. However, as per reports, intense fighting is ongoing on the north and west of Gashina because Amhara's forces and Ethiopian National Defense Forces are trying to enter Gashina. Viewers, these were two reports. For more reports, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for your precious time.